Hello everybody, today welcome to another episode of Cooking with Herb. That's right, today I'm going to do something I have never done before. Make fried chicken in a fryer here. So basically I haven't made a whole lot of fried chicken in my life. I have made fried chicken before, but mainly in a skillet. So I got me a bunch of chicken legs here. Got some vegetable oil. And I got a cooker here. So let's get started. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is put some oil into the fryer. And there's a little fill line in here, so it says max. So there's minimum and max. I'm going to fill it up to the max. That's the minimum, and that's the max. Okay, so I've got some cooking oil in there. So let's turn it on. I got it on 375 because I want this oil to get really hot before I put the chicken in there. But to make my life a lot easier, there's ways you can bread chicken and whatnot like that. I've been doing a little bit of research. Apparently you can cook chicken just, you know, like with just chicken. So this is, I just got this from the grocery store, so it's not frozen. So I can put it in there, and I'm not even going to put any salt or any seasoning on it at all. I'm just going to fry it like this. This has actually been about 15 minutes. So let's see if it's hot. And one way you can check is to take a little bit of water. Hear that sound? That means it's ready to fry. This is ready to fry. I'm going to put in some drumsticks. So again, just straight out of it. I'm just going to put them in there. I'm going to do 4. Because when you start to fry, the oil gets a lot cooler because you have some mass in there. Obviously, this is, these are relatively, they're cold. See, it's really frying. It looks like it's hot. So we'll let that fry for a little bit. There's one thing for sure, you don't want to get any salmonella, right? So cook your chicken all the way through. So I see this golden brown. So I think it's basically done. Well, it's been frying for about 25 minutes, and they look pretty golden brown to me. So I got basically a plate with some towels on it. And one thing when you fry, there's going to be a lot of towels involved. And so I'm going to let most of the oil kind of drip out and taking out the chicken. So let's let that cool down a little bit. While I let the other chicken that just got cooked kind of soak out the oil in there, I'll put in some more chicken. Alright, so let's have a taste test. Oh, very good. It's a little crunchy on the outside. But look at that, there, you see the smoke come out. And you actually see. So this proves the point that you don't actually have to batter your chicken. You can just take the chicken right out of the package and deep fry it. And basically, it's obviously lower in calories in some aspects because there's no bread. For those that are on the protein type diets, this is definitely something you can do. I really like it. And of course, you can season it afterwards. Put some salt, pepper, whatever. Mustard, hot sauce, whatever you use, ketchup, whatever. So I think this really does compete. So I cooked this about 25 minutes, and you probably get by with 20 minutes, 22 minutes, but I didn't want to take a chance for the chicken not to get all the way cooked. It's really good. As always, rock and roll, and of course it does compete. My name is Herbert Midgley. I'm the internet legend. This is the most unique content anywhere in YouTube land. Please subscribe if you like this channel. And if you cook this chicken, let me know. Another fantastic episode of Cooking with Herb. It does compute.
Bye.